Hi everyone, I'm Anselmo Ramos, creative chairman and founder at Guts.
What is the Proud Whopper?
Meat tastes like more like sweeter.
It does taste different.
It's the same burger.
We are all the same inside.
Burger has never made me cry before.
Here's the thing, data nowadays is coming from every single brand touch point. It's just a lot of data. It could be paralyzing. Sometimes clients don't know what to do with it. That's why intuition is so important. Not only your own intuition, but our collective intuition. So my lecture will be about data and intuition. We're going to be analyzing together some case studies. I'll talk about key takeaways and learnings from each one. And you're going to realize that it's really about finding that combination between both data and intuition. It's not easy, but it's doable. We're going to be talking about how brands can shape pop culture. We'll talk about react advertising and so much more. I invite every student, every creative, every client out there. Let's have fun.